prender, vamos a prender a juntar, a llamar esta Sprinter 2500. How to remove the trim panel. So this only has little clips, these trim clips. That's all it is. And your panel's off. So how to remove the inner door handle on the right rear door on this 2021 Mercedes Sprinter 2500. The inner door handle. What it is, you have to put some kind of pin and put pressure down so they can release the handle. And at the same time, you're gonna pull forward. It has one on the top, one on the bottom. So you push, and it'll slightly come out. So this is one tab right here. You push it down. Second tap, up. And that's how you release it. Now I'm gonna show you how to remove this outer door handle, which is just a lever. It's not actually a handle. I'll show you how to remove it. Now we're gonna go to my toolbox. We're gonna get this. It's a 25 torque. We're gonna remove both screws. Oops. You're just gonna put a little screwdriver and put a little bit of pressure right here, and it should snap off since it has double-sided tape. Right here is the double-sided tape. That's how you remove it. Okay. Now we're gonna remove the actual door handle on the right rear door. Using a 15 torque screwdriver. Once you loosen the screw that's inside, it's a 15 torques. So I use a long screwdriver. So now once you loosen it, all you have to do is play with it, shiver it, and it'll right come off. Now all you have to do is yank it backwards and pull on it, and there you go.